It's no secret that your diet can affect your risk of developing cancer. Similarly, filling up on healthy foods is important if you are being treated for or recovering from cancer. Certain foods, including fruits, contain health-promoting compounds that may slow tumor growth and reduce certain side effects of treatment to help ease your road to recovery. Fruit choices for those with cancer. When being treated for or recovering from cancer, your food choices are incredibly important. Cancer treatments like chemotherapy and radiation can cause many side effects, which can be either worsened or improved by what you eat and drink. Common side effects of chemotherapy and radiation include A. Fatigue, B. Anemia, C. Nausea, D. Vomiting, E. Changes in appetite, F. Diarrhea, G. Constipation, H. Painful swallowing, I. Dry mouth, J. Mouth sores, K. Impaired focus, L. Mood changes. Filling your diet with nutritious foods, including fruits, helps supply your body with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants throughout your cancer treatment. However, it's important to tailor your fruit choices to your specific symptoms. For example, pureed fruits or fruit smoothies are a good option if you have difficulty swallowing, while fruits rich in fiber can help promote regularity if you are experiencing constipation. You may also want to avoid certain fruits based on your symptoms. For example, citrus fruits may irritate mouth sores and worsen the feeling of dry mouth. Lastly, whole fruits like apples, apricots, and pears are hard for some people with cancer to eat due to mouth sores, difficulty swallowing, dry mouth, or nausea. Here are the 12 best fruits to eat during and after cancer treatment. Blueberries, oranges, bananas, grapefruit, apples, lemons, pomegranates, mulberries, pears, strawberries, cherries, blackberries. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are a nutritional powerhouse, packing plenty of fiber, vitamin C, and manganese into each serving. They're also rich in antioxidants and have been well studied for their cancer-fighting effects. Blueberries may also help alleviate chemobrain, a term used to describe problems with memory and concentration that some people experience during cancer treatment and recovery. One small study found that drinking blueberry juice daily for 12 weeks improved memory and learning in older adults. Similarly, a recent review of 11 studies reported that blueberries improved several aspects of brain function in children and adults. While these studies did not include people undergoing cancer treatment, the findings may still apply. 2. Oranges. Oranges are a common type of citrus fruit, favored for their sweet taste, vibrant color, and stellar nutrient profile. Just one medium orange can meet and exceed your daily needs for vitamin C, all while supplying other important nutrients like thiamine, folate, and potassium. Vitamin C plays a key role in immunity and can help strengthen your immune system during and after cancer treatment. Research suggests that vitamin C may reduce the growth and spread of cancer cells and act as a therapeutic against certain types of cancer. Vitamin C from oranges can also boost the absorption of iron from foods. This helps protect against anemia, a common side effect of chemotherapy. 3. Bananas. Bananas can be a great dietary addition for those recovering from cancer. They're not only easy to tolerate for those with swallowing difficulties, but also a good source of many important nutrients, including vitamin B6, manganese, and vitamin C. Additionally, bananas contain a type of fiber called pectin, which can be especially beneficial for those experiencing diarrhea caused by cancer treatments. Because bananas are rich in potassium, they can also help replenish electrolytes lost through diarrhea or vomiting. Furthermore, test tube studies have observed that pectin may help protect against the growth and development of colon cancer cells. That said, more research is needed to determine whether the pectin found in bananas could slow cancer cell growth in humans. 4. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a nutritious fruit loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. In addition to providing a hearty dose of vitamin C, provitamin A, and potassium, it's rich in beneficial compounds like lycopene. Lycopene is a carotenoid with potent anti-cancer properties. Some research suggests that it may reduce certain negative side effects of cancer treatments, such as chemotherapy and radiation. One study in 24 adults found that drinking 17 ounces of juice from citrus fruits, including grapefruit, increased blood flow to the brain, which could help mitigate chemobrain. Keep in mind that grapefruit might interfere with certain medications, so it's best to talk to your doctor before adding it to your diet. 5. Apples. Apples are not only one of the most popular fruits, but also one of the most nutritious. Each serving is rich in fiber, potassium, and vitamin C, all of which can benefit cancer recovery. The fiber found in apples can promote regularity and keep things moving through your digestive tract. Potassium affects your fluid balance and can help prevent fluid retention, a common side effect of some types of chemotherapy. Lastly, vitamin C acts as an antioxidant to support immune function and fight cancer cell growth. 6. Lemons. Known for their sour taste and signature citrus scent, lemons deliver a burst of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in every serving. They're especially high in vitamin C, but also contain some potassium, iron, and vitamin B6. Test tube studies have found that lemon extract may help prevent the growth of several types of cancer cells. Some animal studies also show that certain compounds in lemons, including limonene, could boost your mood and fight stress to combat depression and anxiety. While more research is needed to confirm these findings in humans, enjoying lemons in your favorite drinks and desserts as part of a healthy diet could be beneficial. 7. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are delicious, nutritious, and brimming with health benefits, making them a great addition to any diet. Like other fruits, they're high in vitamin C and fiber, but also pack plenty of vitamin K, folate, and potassium. Plus, some research has found that eating pomegranates may improve your memory, which could help those affected by impairments in focus or concentration caused by chemotherapy. A study in 28 people showed that drinking 8 ounces of pomegranate juice daily for 4 weeks led to increased brain activity and improved memory. What's more, animal studies have found that pomegranates may help reduce joint pain, another common side effect of cancer treatments like chemotherapy. 38 trusted source, 39 trusted source, 40 trusted source. 8. Mulberries. Mulberries are a type of colorful fruit from the same family as figs and breadfruit. They have been used to treat cancer in many traditional forms of medicine, and emerging research has begun to confirm their potential cancer-fighting effects. Mulberries are one of the few fruits rich in both vitamin C and iron, which may help protect against anemia caused by cancer treatments. They're also high in a type of plant fiber known as lignans, which have been shown to enhance immune function and kill cancer cells in test tube studies. Additional studies are needed to evaluate if eating mulberries in normal amounts may be beneficial during and after cancer treatment. 9. Pears. Pears are versatile, full of flavor, and easy to enjoy as part of a healthy diet. They're also highly nutritious, supplying a wealth of fiber, copper, vitamin C, and vitamin K in each serving. Copper, in particular, plays a central role in immune function and reduces your body's susceptibility to infection, which can be beneficial during cancer treatment. Like other fruits, pears may contain powerful cancer-fighting compounds. In fact, a study in over 478,000 people showed that a higher intake of apples and pears was associated with a lower risk of developing lung cancer. Anthocyanins, a type of plant pigment found in pears, have also been linked to decreased cancer growth and tumor formation in test tube studies. 10. Strawberries. Thanks to their fresh, sweet taste, strawberries are a favorite among fruit lovers. They are rich in vitamin C, folate, manganese, and potassium, along with antioxidant compounds like pelargonidin. In addition to boasting an impressive nutrient profile, strawberries may offer several benefits specific to cancer recovery. First, ripe strawberries are soft, making them suitable for those with mild swallowing difficulties. What's more, one animal study showed that administering freeze-dried strawberries to hamsters with oral cancer helped reduce tumor formation. Another study in mice found that strawberry extract helped kill breast cancer cells and block tumor growth. That said, high-quality studies are needed to determine if strawberries exhibit anti-cancer effects in humans when eaten as part of a healthy diet. 11. Cherries. Cherries are a type of stone fruit that belongs to the same genus as peaches, plums, and apricots. Each serving of cherries supplies a hearty dose of vitamin C, potassium, and copper. These small fruits are also a good source of antioxidants like beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, all of which can benefit your health. Many studies have found that the antioxidants found in cherries could help slow the growth of cancer cells. For example, one test tube study showed that cherry extract killed and stopped the spread of breast cancer cells. Another animal study observed similar findings, noting that certain compounds found in tart cherries reduced the growth of colon cancer cells in mice. However, these studies analyzed the effects of highly concentrated cherry extracts. Additional research is needed to evaluate if these findings also apply to humans when cherries are eaten in normal amounts. 12. Blackberries. Blackberries are a type of berry notable for their sweet, yet slightly bitter taste and deep purple hue. This popular fruit is high in vitamin C, manganese, and vitamin K. Blackberries also contain an array of antioxidants, including ellagic acid, gallic acid, and chlorogenic acid. According to some research, eating berries may help protect against DNA damage, neutralize harmful compounds called free radicals, and slow the growth and spread of cancer cells. Other test tube and animal studies suggest that blackberries can preserve brain health and enhance memory, potentially preventing certain side effects of chemotherapy. 62 Trusted source. 63 Trusted source. 64 Trusted source. However, further studies are needed to determine if blackberries offer similar benefits in humans. The bottom line: eating certain fruits can significantly affect your health, especially during and after cancer treatment. Many fruits provide antioxidants to help fight the growth of cancer cells and may even offer other health benefits to help ease certain side effects of treatment. Enjoying these healthy fruits in combination with a well-rounded diet can keep you feeling your best and get you started on the road to recovery.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this tutorial, and also subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Till then, have a great time.